Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to transfer money from your PayPal account in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need a verified PayPal account and a linked bank account or debit card to transfer funds. If you haven't linked one yet, head over to your settings and add it. It's straightforward and only takes a minute. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once you're in, make sure you're on the homepage where you can see your balance. Next, locate the Transfer Money or Withdraw Funds option. This is usually found under your account balance or in the menu. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select where you want to send the money. Options might include your bank account, a debit card, or even another PayPal user. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. PayPal might show you any applicable fees up front, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. For 2025, remember that fees can vary based on your location and the type of transfer, so double check. After that, review the details carefully. Make sure the amount, recipient, and any notes are correct. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification once the transfer is processed. Transfers to your bank can take 1 to 3 business days, so be patient. One quick tip: always use a secure connection when handling money transfers to protect your info. And if you're new to this, PayPal's help section is a great resource. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from PayPal in 2025. It's easier than ever, right? If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.